Imagine waking up every morning to the sound of waves, throwing open your windows, and being greeted by the endless blue of the northern Spanish coast. That's exactly the kind of lifestyle these 5 properties can offer. And the best part is, they're move-in ready, with prices starting at just €55,000 and going up to only €85,000. In today's video, I'm taking you with me to northern Spain, a region where the sea meets green hills, where the food is as fresh as the air, and where life moves at a slower, more authentic rhythm. These homes are not just affordable, they're an invitation to trade stress and routine for a life rooted in nature, culture, and simplicity. On my channel, Expat Home Opportunities, I'm always searching across Europe to uncover those properties that combine lifestyle, beauty, and value. And today, I'm going to show you 5 homes that I believe are truly worth considering. If you've ever dreamed about living by the sea in Spain, so let's dive right in and explore what makes each of these properties such a unique opportunity to start your new chapter by the ocean. I recently discovered a small coastal town in Galicia. That feels like a secret waiting for immigrants who want a more gentle pace of life. Cedeira, in the province of A Coruña, is home to about 600 people. It's the kind of place where fishermen traditions are alive, where local festivals, sea breezes, and green hills shape daily life. You can spend your mornings walking along the historic port, or exploring the nearby stretches of coastline like the rugged cliffs of a Capolata. There are parks, a promenade by the water, and plenty of small cafes and restaurants serving fresh seafood and Galician specialties. I'm talking about a charming flat located in Plaza Roxa 1 Cedeira. It's part of a traditional Galician fisherman's house, so it carries local character. Think solid stone walls, nice woodwork, respect for original form. The flat has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a living dining room, fully equipped kitchen, a separate laundry room, terrace accessible from the laundry, and a small front garden. It's spacious, about 88 square meters built, richly detailed, and ready to move into, either furnished or unfurnished, depending on your preference. It sits at ground level, but is an exterior dwelling. And the building does not have an elevator. There's also parking right on the doorstep. High-quality finishes, built-in wardrobes, and a storage room rounded out. The property is super close to nature and water, only 2 minutes from the historic port, and about 5 minutes walking to reach the center of Cedeira with its shops, beaches, restaurants. The nearest hospital is Complexo Hospitalario Universitario de Ferrol in Ferrol, which offers full hospital services. The local Centro de Salud in Cedeira offers general services and operates 24-hour urgent care. Airport. The closest is A Coruña Airport, about 50 kilometers away, about 1 hour driving. Sea. With ocean views and within walking distance to the coastline, you are never far from the sea breeze and natural walks. This flat is listed at €85,000. In US dollars, that's approximately 90,000, and in British pounds, about 75,000, roughly speaking. It's rare to find a property of this size, with this character, so ready to move into, in a place so beautiful. I found a gem, Cariño, a fishing village in the province of A Coruña, Galicia, with about 3,691 inhabitants. Cariño's strength is its landscape, dramatic cliffs like those at Cape Ortegal and Vixia de Ribeira, and views over the Ria de Ortigueira. Local life hums at a relaxed rhythm, early morning markets, fishermen, cafes facing the sea, family-friendly festivals, and hiking trails winding up into Serra de Capolata. This one's right by the water. A first-line beach flat on Avenida Constitución. It's in excellent condition, fully furnished with appliances included. You get 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a terrace, 2 balconies, one has sea views, built-in closets, and great orientation, southeast, built in 1988. It's an exterior flat, on the 3rd floor, no elevator. The flat is literally steps from the beach. You'll step out, take a breath of ocean air, and feel part of the seaside scene. Nearest airport, A Coruña Airport, LCG, about 63.9 km away. Other options include Santiago de Compostela Airport at about 104.20 Sonid and Asturias Airport further off. For healthcare, there is the Centro de Salud Cariño. It offers primary care services, general medical consultations, pediatrics, nursing, etc. Basic shopping and daily needs? You're well covered. Local supermarkets, small shops, fish markets, cafes, and restaurants are all within walking distance. For bigger shopping centers, you'll likely drive to nearby larger towns like Ferrol, which has malls, specialty shops, etc. This beachfront flat is priced at €85,000. In US dollars, that's about $90,500, and in British pounds, roughly $75,000. Don't let this chance slip. Someone who moves quickly and values peace with powerful scenery is going to make this their home. I've come across a town called Boiro, in the Barbanza comarca of a Cariño, Galicia. It covers 86 km2 and has about 19,000 residents. Life here mixes the maritime tradition with growing amenities, thanks to its beaches like Baranya, the green backdrop of the Sierra del Barbanza, and community events tied to the sea and land. There's a beautiful penthouse for sale in Calle Peralto, 73 in Boiro. Its exterior, on the 4th floor, measuring 65 square meters. With 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, it features a living dining area with an open kitchen, plus a loft, currently used as a 3rd bedroom and attic storage space. It has built-in closets and comes with a separate storage room at ground level. Also, the building offers a private community pool. The flat is a short walk from Playa de Baranya, giving immediate beach access and views over the sea and the Rio Cariño. Santiago de Compostela Airport is the closest major one, about 47 km away, roughly 50 to 60 minutes by car. For medical care, there's Centro de Salud de Boiro, offering general medicine, pediatrics, nursing, etc. Also, the Hospital Comarcal del Barbanza serves the area, including emergency services. The culture offer includes beaches, hiking in the Barbanza Hills, and local festivals tied to seafood and Galician coastal life. The asking price is €75,000. In US dollars, that's about $79,000, and in British pounds, approximately $63,000. The chance to own something with personality, views, and ready to enjoy that doesn't come by every day. I visited Ponteceso, a municipality in A Coruña in Galicia, with about 5,300 residents as of 2023. It's made up of many small parishes, including Cormporto, Tella, Cospindo. Life here is marked by strong coastal identity, wild shoreline views where the Rio Anyons meets the sea, small community gatherings, local markets, and nature almost at your doorstep. It's very much a place where people still know each other, and where daily rhythms follow sun, tide, seafood, and sky more than rush hour traffic. Up for sale is a flat at Calle Remedios 16, in the neighborhood of Cormporto in Ponteceso. It's very bright, all exterior, and from every bedroom you can see the ocean. The flat has 3 bedrooms, a single bathroom, a living room, kitchen, plus a terrace and balcony. On top of that, there is an attic space above the flat, about 75 m2, currently unfinished, which you could convert to suit your needs. The usable flat area is also about 75 m2, so total construction is approx 150 m2. It comes with a storage room. It's on the 3rd floor, exterior, no elevator. The beach is a 5-minute walk away. You step out and you're practically there. Nearest hospital-level care, there's the Centro de Salud Ponteceso, which serves urgent and primary care. A Coruña airport is the closest major one. Travel time likely around 1 hour plus, depending on roads. Local daily living is easy. There are small shops in Cormporto, grocery and cafes. This flat is offered at €70,000. In US dollars, roughly $74,000, and in British pounds, about $59,000. If your heart leans toward homes that are imperfect but full of potential, with ocean views from every room, this is your chance. I visited Ribeira, a coastal town in Galicia in the Barbanza region. With a population of about 26,897 people, Ribeira combines bustling market days, fresh seafood dinners by the port, and quiet mornings watching the estuary Ria de Rusa. For family-friendly time, there are beachfront promenades, sailing, small boat tours, local festivals, and green spaces where kids play. Here's an attic apartment for sale at Calle Rio Azor, 44 in Palmeira, part of Ribeira. This is a 4th floor exterior flat, about 55 for dentro built, with 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom. There's a bright open-plan dining kitchen area, flooded with natural light, and a private terrace with a laundry space. Fantastic for enjoying sunsets and warm summer evenings. The building also offers a commercial space for sale, a blank canvas you could use as a workshop, storage, or garage, depending on what you need. It's just a few meters from the beach. The ocean and the Ria are visible and easily accessible from this flat. Closest airport from the flat is Santiago Rosalía de Castro Airport, approximately 17.7 km north of Ribeira, about 35 minutes by car. Another alternative is a Cariño Airport, about 62.9 km away. The town has solid medical infrastructure, including the Hospital Público de Barbanza, serving general medicine and emergencies. Ribeira also has a health center for routine care. The asking price for this attic flat is 55,000 euros. In US dollars, that's about 58,000, and in British pounds around 46,000, depending on current rates. For someone ready to roll up their sleeves a little, this attic could become the cozy, inspiring base you've been dreaming about. And that's a wrap on today's tour. I hope these 5 seaside homes in northern Spain gave you a real sense of what's possible when you start looking beyond the usual markets. Properties like these don't stay around for long, so if any of them caught your attention, you'll find all the links and contact details right down in the description. If this is the kind of life you've been imagining for yourself, slowing down and making a smart investment at the same time, make sure to hit that subscribe button. On Expat Home Opportunities, I'm constantly uncovering new finds across Europe, and subscribing means you'll be among the first to know when the next opportunity comes along. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more homes that could change the way you live your life.